Now let's look at the relationship between word recognition and second language fluency development. And we'll see what the research suggests about word recognition and fluency development. So, of course, the role of word recognition is all the more important in terms of developing fluency, fluency in second language reading. And this is widely recognized important factor in terms of developing fluency in first language reading. As you can see here, Stanovich 2000 has given some useful insights how word recognition can help lead students to become better and fluent readers. Sigalovitz 1991 and Wood 1998, as you can see here on the slide, they suggest that word recognition is important to make second language students fluent in reading, because their research, they conducted studies in order to find out the relationship between word recognition and second language fluency. What they found strong correlation between word recognition and fluency development. So what we can infer from Sigalovitz and Wood's studies is that the second language instructors should lay emphasis on developing some useful strategies amongst second language students, how to recognize words, how they, if they come across some unfamiliar words, how well they can recognize them. So this is our job as language teachers, to develop this this practice. And in this regard, it's important to understand the role of extensive reading. Extensive reading means the reading which is done outside the classroom. Intensive reading means the reading which is done within the classroom, which is guided by the teacher, which is like comprehension passages, or fill in the blanks, or reading word for word. These are some of the strategies done for. So extensive reading is the reading where students choose the text on their own, and they make decisions what suits them, and they just choose text according to their own taste, and they read without the assistance of a teacher. So extensive reading and fluency, or there is a strong correlation between extensive reading and fluency development and word recognition. How best to teach word recognition? Well, through extensive reading. And in this regard, we can promote, of course, students can choose text on their own, but some support can be provided by teachers in terms of ensuring timed reading, in terms of helping them developing some phonological and morphological, how words create sounds, how some words are formed with some suffixes or prefixes, and their uses in a sentence or in a paragraph. So this kind of training can be developed through extensive reading and intensive reading. So in this regard, it's important that the teacher can help suggest extended reading, the reading which not only deals with some academic stuff, but also the reading which deals with some topics which could be about geography, which could be about science, or could be about mathematics. I mean, the topics that really appeal to the students, and the topics that are of variety of nature, so that students' word recognition becomes effective and efficient. So Nation suggests that in this regard, no matter if we are making our students do extensive or intensive reading, we need to assist them as language teachers in terms of recognizing words and in terms of developing fluency.